This is Johnny. He is an investor in growth stocks and likes Twitter. He likes and follows several other individual investors who always give him exciting new ideas. Today, while scrolling Twitter, he came across ticker INTC, but he doesn't know the stock. He looks it up on stockcard.io and realizes the company behind the stock isn't doing well financially, but its stock price is undervalued. Johnny isn't too excited about companies with bad finances. Maybe this is not a good stock. Johnny is happy that he did not just invest in the company because he heard it is undervalued on Twitter. Johnny likes that Stock Card gave him a quick snapshot of the stock to validate his ideas. Now, he wonders why it is undervalued. He clicks on the valuation box, and with a quick scroll, he has all the information he needs. It looks like this stock is undervalued compared to its peers. Johnny is still not sure about this stock. He wants to know what other investors think about it. On Stock Card, other investors share their investment strategies. It looks like most people are buying and holding it, but no one expects it to grow too much, and a few portfolios that held the stock have already sold it. Johnny is almost sure he doesn't want to invest in this stock. Wait, he remembers some people invested in it for its dividends. Johnny likes dividend-paying stocks because they are like a source of side income. It seems this is a dividend-paying company. He wants to learn more about it. Click on the dividend box, and he again has all the info he needs easily and in a few clicks. When it pays a dividend, how much it pays, and whether it's a reliable dividend-paying company that grew its dividends. Johnny finds Stock Card quite helpful. It's like his personal magnifier to research stocks easily. Now, a new question pops up. Can he find better dividend-paying stocks? Stock Card has his back. He goes to the screener tool to look for them. In the search bar, he searches for dividend stocks and companies with no cash problems. After all, no one wants to invest in a dividend-paying company with cash problems. More than 80 dividend-paying stocks show up in his research results. Johnny likes the list and wants to share it with his Twitter friends. Click Save and Share. Johnny realizes he loves Stock Card. It is like a reliable crystal ball that gives him new ideas, without bombarding him with data he doesn't want or understand. Johnny asks himself, are there other investors who like dividends for income? Let's go to Portfolio Center and look for them. Johnny likes active portfolios. He filters for portfolios that are updated in the last month, and he finds one. He might want to follow this one to get a notification when the portfolio is updated. Johnny is wondering what other good ideas he can research and discover on Stock Card. If you are like Johnny and want to research and make better investment decisions based on quick facts you understand, and without the noise and confusion of internet, you should check out stockcard.io. See you around.